Happy birthday, Javi! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jab!
Yay! It's your birthday!
Birthday mo na.
Yay!
7 years old.
Oo nga eh. Alam mo, anak.
Love you.
Love you. Alam mo, anak, you're God's most wonderful blessing to us. And we love you so much. On your birthday, we wish you good health and may God keep you safe in everything you do. Sana anak, lumaki kang mabait na bata na may takot sa Diyos at masunurin sa iyong mga magulang, lalo na't lumalaki ka pa. May God bless you with a happy and a beautiful life. And kami ni Daddy, si Mama at si Papa, sila Ate Aay, lahat kami will always be here to support you. Kahit malaki ka na, because we love you so much. Kay Mama at kay Papa, thank you so much po for helping us raise Javi. You have always been there po, Mama and Papa, in every step of the way. And thank you for being there for Javi for those times when we can't. And thank you, Mama, for all your effort for this wonderful birthday of Javi. With the help of everyone, ni Tita, ni Uncle Joseph, ni Ate Aay, and most especially ng aming kumparing si Randy Lazaro at si Ate Linda. Maraming salamat po. For everyone who attended the birthday of Javi, thank you so much po. Your presence is greatly appreciated. Anak, happy birthday! We love you so much. Excited na kami ni Daddy sa pagpunta niyo dito ni Mama. Love you, anak. Love you. Happy birthday, Mama Chup Chup.